Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize setting up AWS Security Groups for VPC access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Security Groups. Next, click on the Create Security Group button. Provide a name for your security group. Include a brief description to identify its purpose. Select the VPC from the drop-down menu where you want to create this security group. Now, proceed to the Inbound Rules tab. Click on Add Rule to define permitted traffic. Select a type from the drop-down, such as HTTP or SSH. In the source field, choose either a specific IP or anywhere. Repeat these steps to add additional rules as needed. Next, switch to the Outbound Rules tab. Click on Add Rule to configure outbound traffic permissions. Choose the appropriate type and adjust the destination field accordingly. After configuring the rules, review your entries for accuracy. Once verified, click on the Create Security Group button to finalize the process. Your new security group is now set up. You can apply this security group to your desired EC2 instances or other resources in the selected VPC. To modify or delete rules later, revisit the Security Groups section in the VPC dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.